After trying this roast chicken recipe, I will not be making roast chicken any other way. Start with coriander seeds in a mortar and pestle, then add black jalapeno and grind that up as well. Transfer the jalapeno seed mixture to some melted butter along with some spices, some tomato paste, and mix it all together. Now pat the chicken dry and stuff the cavity with some lemon and garlic cloves. Squeeze some lemon juice over the chicken and then spread out the marinade paste. Drizzle some avocado oil, brush on the marinade, and then season with salt and pepper. Then I parboil some mini red potatoes, add that to my roasting pot with some broccoli, some garlic cloves, avocado oil, salt, and pepper. I put a roasting rack on top of the vegetables and then place the marinated chicken on top. Bake uncovered for about an hour in the oven until it's nice and golden brown. Serve it with the juicy broccoli, the fluffy potato, and the creamy spreadable garlic, maybe even a salad, and that is your perfect dinner. Enjoy!